and food. Thank you, nature, for beautiful gifts.
It is nature. God. So we need to be thankful to God first. Okay? Being thankful. Did you see the role play? To be thankful.
I call my buddy Sana for out of time. On behalf of the class, I put thank our respected secretary ma'am, sir, principal, teachers and friends for being with us today. Thank you for love, support and encouragement. Thank you, Hariyo.
Fold your hands, close your eyes. Everyone, stand straight. Listen.